Hey everybody, today we are going to be looking at a Cleveland radial arm drill press we got in the shop. We're going to run it through its paces here, do a walk around on some of the features. And yeah, so to start with, the master control for operating the drill head, forward, reverse, spindle up and down are right here, this toggle. And then we've got this obviously is the manual travel of the head, manual travel of the spindle. Interesting note for this one in particular, it has a limit switch at the top of the spindle, so if you're all the way up it won't turn on. You have to get it slightly down past the limit switch before it'll actually turn on. This is your transmission gears, also transmission gears for the different speeds. This is your speed chart, gives you the tap feed numbers and stuff like that. And then this is your head lock. This will lock the head from moving back and forth. This is your arm lock, if you will. This would down, locks it in position, and this loosens it so that you can move the head up and down safely. And then this is obviously the lock for the swivel. So yeah, swivel, you loosen that, and the head just rotates around. We'll lock that in place, and we'll loosen that one, and we'll go. And that's how that one moves that up and down. We'll lock that, and then this also has the auto feed, so if you pull this out while the drill head or the spindle is running, it'll do the auto feed. This gives you the instructions for how to preset your power feed. And then you also have the coolant switch. If you'll hear the coolant pump in the back turned on. I don't want to run it long because it is dry. But that is what operates your coolant nozzles right here. And then you also have your master safety stop. In emergency, you can hit that and it'll kill all the power to the unit. Reset it. This also has a switch on the back side that lights up our work light. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and turn the spindle on here. That's forward. That's reverse. Now we're going to operate the auto feed on the quill. And as you can tell, the quill is moving down slowly. And you can disengage it at any time whenever you need to stop it. And then if we bring it all the way up back to the limit switch, it automatically kills it until you bring it back down in the go position again. So yeah, pretty basic standard features for a radial arm. Again, transmission, gearbox controls are up here. And then you have the coolant in the back and your master controls here. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. Let us know what questions you have, and we will do our best to answer them. If you are interested in purchasing this drill, there will be a link below in the description with a link to our website and the item listing. And there'll be some more specifications, size, weight type of stuff in that listing, as well as you'll find contact information on our website if you are interested in purchasing it and need a freight quote or anything of that nature. So as always, thank you guys for watching, and like and subscribe.